Hello students, how are you? Yesterday we have done exercise 6.2. We have done this midpoint theorem also with the help of BPT. But I am not sure you understand this theorem in 9th class or not. And discussion with my colleague, and then it's decided that I have to explain this theorem once again, both together. Understood? If you have not done this theorem in 9th class, you can do here important theorem, name theorem, midpoint theorem. What's the midpoint theorem? This is the midpoint theorem. The line segment joining the midpoint of two sides of a triangle. Two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third sides and half of it. Half of it meaning half of the parallel sides. Understood? The line segment joining the midpoint of the two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and half of that side. Understood? That's its statement. And how can what we have to prove? I can tell here, we are having this triangle ABC. D is the midpoint of AD, E is the midpoint of AC. What we have to prove? We have to prove BE is parallel to BC and DE equal to half of BC. This is generalization, we can say summarization of midpoint theorem. So try to understand, beta. I will tell you step by step, so easily you can understand this. Understood? Not important for 10th class, but if you know this theorem, then you can solve that question easily. So what's given? Given is this in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, D and E are the midpoint of AB. I already told this is the midpoint of what? Midpoint of AB. D is the midpoint of AB. And what? E is the midpoint of AC, respectively. Understood? Construction we need. Some construction we need. Draw CF. We can draw this CF, which is parallel to AB. CF, which is parallel to ABC. And when we produce this DE, both D is cutting at a point F. Understood? When we produce this cutting at point F. And what we have to prove? Then I can write to prove. What I can write? To prove. To prove is what? DE is parallel to BC and DE equal to half of BC. This we have to prove. After to prove, proof. So map I can tell you. How can I prove? First I will prove this triangle is congruent to this triangle. Understood? So first I will prove this. What I will prove? What triangle you can take? In triangle. Which triangle? Which triangle? A, D, E. A, D, E. Another triangle and triangle C, F, E. Triangle C, F, E. Understood? Taken? This angle equal to this angle. Why? Vertically opposite angle. Angle A, E, D equal to angle C, E, F. Vertically opposite angles. Understood? This angle equal to this angle. Angle ADE equal to angle CFE, alternate angle. Angles between two parallel lines. Yes or no? This understood? First, I want to tell this. We are having this line, this line. This is A, this is B, and this line CF. And what is this? This is a line. So this angle equal to this angle, here is D, here is F. Alternate angle between two parallel lines are always equal. Told you? Yes or no? So what you can say now? What you can say now? Third point, AE equal to CE. CE. Why? Because E is a midpoint of this. So by angle side, if two angle of a triangle is equal to the two angle of another triangle, then third angle also become automatically equal. So by AES congruence rule, triangle, which triangle? ADE is congruent to triangle CFE. Understood? This triangle is congruent to this triangle, so its corresponding part are equal. So what you can say? Its meaning is this: AE, on next page I can write. So this triangle and this triangle are congruent. And what's the name of triangle? Triangle is this ADE is congruent to triangle CFE. So if two triangles are congruent, 6 elements of one triangle is equal to the 6 elements of another triangle. So what we can say? AE equal to what? What? AE equal to CE or EC. Yes or no? Got this or not? Or what you can say? DE equal to EF by CPCT, corresponding part of the congruent triangle. Understood? Yes or no? Got? Yes or no? And what you can say? AD equal to CF. AD equal to CF. This is sufficient for us. 3 elements I have taken. Yes or no? Now I will prove. What I will prove? What I can prove? So now look. DB is parallel, this step or right you can, but AD equal to DB because D is the midpoint of AB. So this is your first, this is your second. Comparing first and second, AD, it's meaning DB equal to CF. DB equal to CF. Got? And DB is parallel to CF by construction. Understood? In quadrilateral, D, F, C, B. D, F, C, B. One pair, this pair of opposite sides are parallel and equal. So this is a theorem. If one pair of opposite side of a quadrilateral is parallel and equal, then that parallelogram is, that quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Therefore, DFCB is a parallelogram. If it is a parallelogram, therefore DE is parallel to BC. One part is this. D is parallel to BC. Second part is what? If it is a parallelogram, if DFCB is a parallelogram, it's meaning pair of opposite side is equal. DF equal to BC. DF how can we write? DE plus EF is equal to BC. But DE is equal to EF. So in place of EF, but DE equal to EF. Proved. So in place of EF, I can write DE plus DE is equal to BC. DE meaning twice of DE is equal to BC. What's its meaning? Here I can write DE is equal to half of BC. This is the proof which is given in class 9th. Which is given in class 9th. Now, so this proof is given in class 9th. एक पार्ट और है ना वो 6.1 वो आप ऐसे कर सो बेटा this is given in class 9th. This is not in class of 10th, but I want to tell you can understand. Now coming on the topic, how can we use BPT theorem in it? How can we use BPT theorem in it? So BPT theorem saying what's saying like this. If we are having this triangle, We are having this triangle ABC, and this is DE. Understood? Got? Given in triangle ABC, D and E are the midpoint of AB and AC respectively. To prove is this, DE is parallel to BC. This we have to prove. Yes or no? Proof. In triangle ABC, AD by DB is equal to 1, because D is the midpoint of AB. AE, this is, you can say first, AE by EC, this is also equal 1, because E is the midpoint of AC. This is to comparing first and second, we get right hand side of both 1. So AD by DB equal to AE by EC. If sides are in the same ratio, then by BPT theorem, DE is parallel to BC. So this is the use of BPT theorem in that theorem. This is the proof of it. This is the proof of it. Got? So just this in next lecture we will do converse of it. First I will tell from 9th class, that's midpoint converse, and then midpoint converse I will prove with the help of converse of BPT theorem. You will try to understand. If anywhere problem, you can check or you can discuss with me. Both are important theorem, both are named theorem. Thank you all of you.